Welcome back to Kicks Clicks. It's your boy, I'm in the building, Drunk Edition. I'm going to be cleaning these Adidas here, which are primarily mesh, little rubber outsole. And then later, after this is part one of part two. I'm going to clean these What the Fives. Dry suede eraser. Got some stains on the front there. Toe area, a little scuff on the toe. This red one's not too bad, but the yellow one, being as though it's yellow, has extra stains. It's going to be a little trouble. So let's get into it. In here, simple mixture, a little Rejuvenator, laundry detergent, Dawn dish detergent, a small cap full of RIT laundry whitener. Let me show you that. Just because these are pretty much a fabric material, so what you want to do is you want to get fabric-like stuff. So this stain out here on the toe caps. Toe was a little scuffed up over here in this area. Got that all figured out. They're nice and white. Made me think about doing the inside, but the customer didn't want the deep cleaning. So all in all, the outsides are back close to DS, honestly. And these are still a little damp, so when they dry, soles are back nice. Except for this one kind of had like a stain, some type of like a poop stain. I hope it wasn't, but that's kind of what it reminded me of. It was very stubborn, so I couldn't get it out, couldn't get it in there. But all in all, like I said, client's happy, back to better than they were before they were given to me. So all in all, a good job. Now for the end result. I couldn't get them back perfect, but it's hell of a lot better on the toe cap here. There's a reminder what not to do when drunk in your yellow Jordans. And this stain here was a bit stubborn. I didn't want to compromise the suede. As you can see, that's still, grain still intact. But I did clean as much as I could. I just couldn't get as deep in there without compromising the shoe. And it's a brand new shoe. I didn't want to do that at all. This is actually a scrape mark. If I can get in close here. This is actually a scrape mark. So couldn't do anything, shaved around it, shaved it down a little bit. It was a stain from whatever it was scraped against, but shaved it down a little bit. Got it to a nice even level and rounded as much as I could, but you can still see it there. But there, I'll put the pictures up so you can see they're definitely a lot better for sure. Just that. So all in all, customer's happy. I already told him, sent him the pictures. He was ecstatic because they look better than before, and that's all that matters. Try to get them as close to original as possible. These are just work shoes a client wanted done. He had 3 sharp marks here. Got every one but that one all the way out. I'll throw the before and afters in for these as well. Had some over here, up in there. He's also very happy because these are work shoes, like I said, so they look way better than they were when they came. They weren't that bad. Both of these shoes weren't that bad at all. That's why I'm splicing this video together, because all 3, the Jordans and the Adidas, was a drunk accident on pretty much brand new shoes, and these are work shoes that don't really get too much work. So he just wanted these freshened up, and that's pretty much all I did. No deep cleaning, left the bottoms regular because they're work shoes per his request. But definitely got these parts looking close to new again. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not taking orders. People are hitting me up. I have lots and lots and lots to do down here on the floor here. Lots and lots and lots and lots to do. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.